Welcome back everyone. Today in this video we will teach you a new feature of MS Excel. Before we were using the if statement, which was like, for example, we have used here. Look at how messy it is. But instead of this we can use now the switch statement. Very easy and clear to use that. So let's first of all I will explain it to you through two examples, simple example and a advanced example. So let's first of all come here to this simple example for the rating. For example, this is the rating of a product and we would like to just find the result of that is for good, best, how. So to use the switch statement, let's write equal to switch. After that, the switch, the expression is this. For example, this rating, we will select our rating comma value. Okay, if this expression was, for example, 1, so what we will print, comma, we will print the result will be like poor. Like we will just write question mark for this one. Okay, it means that it is very poor. Comma, if it was 2, we will write the result will be poor. Comma, if it was 3, the result will be good. Comma, if it was 4, the rating was 4, so then we will write comma, it will be best, like. Comma, if it was 5, so we will write that it is best again. But at the last, if no one of it was existed, again we would like to print the question mark. If it means if it was 0 or below, then it means that we don't have that, but this is the default value. Close it and press enter. So this is 4. The 2, for 2 we have 4. Let's drag it down. See, 4, good, best, and question mark. So it is how we can use the switch statement instead of if to use the nested if. So that was a very messy trick. So now let's move to the advanced topic. So here I have used the if statement. Look at if it was greater than 350, a plus if nested if. I have just nested the if 3 or 4 times. So now instead of this we will use the switch function. So let's do it equal to switch and our expression. Instead of expression, as you know that the switch statement is used for exact match. So here we are just doing conditional formatting. So for that we don't have the expression, we will just write true here. Write true here. Now for the value we will write this obtained mark. If the obtained mark were greater than, for example, 350, comma, the value is a plus a, for example. Okay, comma, if this obtained mark again was greater than 300, comma, the value is, the result is b. Comma, if again the obtained marks were greater than 250, comma, the result is b. Comma, again if the obtained marks were greater than 200, so comma, the result will be c. Otherwise, if no one, it means if it was lower than 200, so it is fail with us, or it means D, that is D with us. So we will just write D. Close the switch statement, press enter. So very simple, just drag it down. We will see, we will get our result. So it is how B, B, A, B, B, this is C because, yeah, 249, D. This is D because that is lower than 200. So it is how we can use the switch statement. That was a simple use case example, and this was a little bit example advanced to use the expression. So I hope you learned the switch statement and we will use it in the future instead of if, nested if. So if you learn this topic, so don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.